Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the methods for writing short stories. So, let's start our lesson. Story writing. Short stories are written in the format of a narrative. They are fictional narratives based on the beginning or outline, hints, clues, verbal or visual, given in the question. The purpose of asking you to write a short story is to improve your creative and imaginative thinking. A story usually narrates an incident with its associated happenings or may expand on one thought or idea. Stories are accounts of real or fictional incidents narrated in an interesting manner. A story needs to be planned well. Every story has some people who are the characters, their actions and reactions from the story. There has to be a background or a place which is referred to as the setting of the story. A writer also needs to think of additional details to make characters more realistic. The different things that make a story are plot, characters, setting, etc. The plot. Plot is the logical sequence of events which leads to the conclusion. The type of plot may be adventurous, scary, a mystery, suspenseful, comic, etc. Most stories have a sequence and purpose or the reason why the story is being told. Some stories have a moral or a message. Others have usual ending or suspense. Some stories are adventurous, some are funny and some are scary. We see a starting point that moves through different courses to an ending point. Now the characters. The story usually has people, animals, or other living creatures, but they must be based on real life to give the story credibility. Usually, there is one main character in the story with other minor character to support the plot. It is also important to think of special qualities or behavior patterns. Build the characters to result in reaction of admiration, fear, hatred, etc. There is usually one main character and other supporting characters. Suitable thoughts or dialogue also add more details to the character. The setting. Setting is the background or location where the action takes place. It may be realistic or fictional. The story can happen in a forest or a classroom. It is possible for the story to happen in a totally imaginary place like Toyland, Fairyland, etc. Again, you will need to detail the setting to make it more suitable to the plot and the characters. A story moves at different speeds in different situations. The story may be told through any one of the characters or a combination of some characters. It is very important to have a good beginning and proper ending. Tips to remember. But some other elements which comprise a short story also theme. Theme is the main idea. It may be a message, moral, an abstract idea, a lesson learned, etc. Then mood and atmosphere. It may be cheerful, happy, tense, scary, suspenseful, or neutral depending on the question. Tips to remember. Focus should be on a single incident. Always use past tense while writing a story. The story needs to be original. The story needs to be told in an interesting manner. The story needs to have a message. The beginning of the story needs to be exciting and should capture the attention of the readers. The end of the story needs to be worth remembering. An interesting and suitable title should be given. Main elements of the short story. Number first thing is an interesting start. The start of the story should be interesting enough to make the reader curious to know what happened later on in the story. It can be an incident, description of the character traits of the central character, or something extraordinary. Building the plot. This describes the sequence of events in the story. A justified climax or conclusion. The conclusion of the story should not leave any aspects of the story unfinished. The climax of the story should be an interesting one. Marking scheme for the story writing. For title 1 marks, for content 5 marks, for accuracy 2 marks, for fluency 2 marks, total 10 marks. Here home assignment is given. You remember steps to write a short story. There are no specific rules for writing a story, but there are countless ways to create an interesting one. The writer should keep the following steps in mind while writing a short story. To write an interesting story, you must think like the central character to get catch of their emotions and the situation. The details should be mentioned creatively to develop the reader's interest. Give the story an appropriate title which catches the reader's attention. A very important part of the story is an apt ending to add significance to it. A justified climax is expected by the readers. That's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss about our next chapter. Thank you.